you said, did you take that one too? Was it 10?
Yeah, he was working on it.
Yeah. All right. Good morning, Mr. Hyder. Your appearance.
Good morning, Judge Steve Harper, on behalf with Mr. Schroeder, who sits immediately to my left, Judge.
Mr. Eschenroder, your name?
Tanner Eschenroder.
All right. So your client was referred for a screening and assessment after he pled guilty to operating while impaired. The incident occurred April 13 of 25. He pled guilty to on June 9th to operating while impaired, and the super drunk, the 6-month, was dismissed.
Actually, Judge, Judge was visibly impaired.
What did I say?
Impaired.
Well,
He said, yeah, never mind, Judge, you're right. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
That's okay. It's early. It's all right.
Sorry.
So he pled to operating while impaired. The super drunk was dismissed. We do have the verification of his AA once a week. There's been so I ordered it May 22nd. He's gone 5 times, once a week. I do have to tell you, I'm concerned about this, but at any rate, have you had a chance to review the report with your client? And are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
There is not, Judge. Thank you.
Anything you would like to say on his behalf?
I would, Judge. I want to let you know that Mr. Tanner completely cooperated with the police in this investigation. This incident had no accidents, absolutely had no property damage, Judge. He works 6 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. Monday through Saturday at Ford Motor Company of Monroe. He's had absolutely no incidents with the criminal justice system whatsoever. He's a really good young man, Judge. This has been, I believe, a one-off. I don't think we're going to see him back. I noticed in the recommendation they're requesting 12 months probation, bi-weekly testing. Judge, I noticed in your bond, on the bond recommendation and in your bond order, you did not have him testing bi-weekly. So I'm kind of thinking with his work hours, that might be a little hard for him to hit. So, Judge, I'd ask you to reconsider that recommendation of bi-weekly testing and not have him testing, because he hasn't tested for you on bond. There's been no indication that he's relapsing or drinking. He's going to his AA as court ordered. And then, Judge, I'm also asking about the 12-month probation, that you reconsider his 12 months probation and make this non-probation, Judge.
Mr. Eschenroder, anything you'd like to say?
No, sir. He covered most of it.
Okay, so you and I need to have a conversation here. You're 22 years old, and you had almost 3 times the legal limit. Now, I don't keep stats up here. I don't write things down. But I'm telling you, the likelihood of you revisiting the criminal justice system and I'm talking about somebody that has a 2-2 on the blood 1 year after they're legally able to drink, is exponentially high. Statistics tell me that if I have 10 of you that come in here at 22 with a 2-2 on the breathalyzers, 70-80% are coming back. Might be tomorrow, might be in a year, might be in 2 years, might be in 4 years, might be on something else that involves alcohol or drugs or both. I mean, you were drinking. You also admitted that you consumed marijuana. On top of that, I see you have a medical marijuana card. I don't write laws, and I'm not going to make my own laws. I happen to think medical marijuana is bad for you. I don't even know why you need medical marijuana. I'm not going to make a big issue of this. You use it daily. You have any physical problems?
I have scoliosis in my back.
What do you do at Ford Motor Company?
I package. I started on the line and then I transferred plants to now I'm packaging.
I'm just telling you, this is not good. You can think what you want. I know
I
what I'm
understand the
talking.
statistic. I understand what you're telling me.
Good. Well,
I
then
didn't
we,
mean to interrupt you though.
I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to interrupt you, my bad.
No, you're
But I
fine.
understand what you're telling me with those statistics, but that I won't be back.
Okay. And I'm not quarreling with you. I hope you don't come back. I just want you to understand that I've been doing this a long time. I've never had somebody, well, not one person say to me, Judge, I'm coming back in front of you. Not one. So just be careful. 14 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. I will not violate you if you test positive for THC so long as you possess a valid medical marijuana card, not because I think that's the right thing to do, but because that's the law. So I'm not gonna quarrel with the legislature or the voters or anybody else. So if you have a valid medical marijuana card and you test positive, I will not violate you. You're to submit the chemical testing, PBTs and ETGs as follows. Bi-weekly for 4 months. If you're clean, I'll make it monthly. Kratom, poppy seeds, and CBD oils are prohibited. Consuming food or other items containing those substances will be deemed a violation. You're to attend the Victims Impact Panel. You're to attend AANA. I'm upping it to twice a week until you're in an intensive outpatient treatment program. I think you need it. I'm just telling you, when I see these breathalyzers or blood draws this high for somebody that young, a big red flag goes off. So AANA twice a week until an intensive outpatient treatment with aftercare. So once you get into intensive outpatient treatment, you no longer have to attend AA or NA. Also attend the Victims Impact Panel. Also serve 4 days jail credit, 1 serve 3. I'll let you serve those on our court work program. So 3 days court work program, there's a $35 a day charge for that for a total of $105. 300 fines, $225 costs, $75 victim's rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So fines and costs are $650. You do have probation fees of $280 for a total of $930. Cost of recovery is $225 for $1155, and then you have your court work program fees. Totals $1260. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. If you violate probation, you could get 93 days. You may be eligible for early probation, or early termination, I should say, early discharge from probation. So in another 7 months, 7 months from today, if you're clean, you've had no violations within the preceding 90 days, you make application and you will be discharged from probation. That's by law. Do you fully understand the sentence, sir? I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions at all?
No, sir.
Okay, and you understand the alternative is 93 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
Judge, did you include the screening fee?
I did write it down. Maybe I didn't include it.
I just got a different amount.
5, let me double check. 5 1/4, 650, 8, 930, 1130, 1155, 1260. You are correct. Thank you again. I wrote it down and I didn't add it in, so it's 1320. All right. Can you pay all of this, Mr. Hyder?
Can you pay it?
Whenever I can pay it.
He could pay it. Can you have 7 days, Judge?
Well, is he working today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is. He goes in at 6 today, Judge.
I would like him to come up here today and get his initial reporting. So if you need 7 days, I'll give you 7 days. If you don't, just pay it when you get here. It's up to you.
Can I get to 7 days, please?
Yeah, I'll give you until the 1st of July, okay? In fact, why don't, yeah, and then come on up here and they'll give you your initial, they'll explain the order and go over everything with you, okay?
Oh, you did? Okay.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you. Thanks, Mr. Hyder.
Did you say you want him up there today, Judge?
Yeah, he should come up here and be instructed by probation. Okay?
That wasn't the deal then.
Okay, he'll be up there today. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day. Good luck, sir. Thanks. Sarah Height.